ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ മുഴുവനും ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലായിരിക്കും. പക്ഷേ പ്രയാസമുള്ള വാക്കുകളുടെ അർത്ഥം മലയാളത്തിൽ സ്ക്രീനിൽ നൽകും. Let's start. Today I woke up with a strong craving for something spicy and flavorful. Can you guess what it is? Yes, fish biryani. The idea just popped into my head. After that, I couldn't think of anything else. The taste, the smell, the texture. Everything about fish biryani made me feel excited and a little hungry. But there was a small problem. I didn't have any fish at home. No seer fish, no sardines. So I decided to go to the nearby fish market and buy fresh fish. I got ready quickly. I took a cloth bag, wore my slippers, and stepped out. The morning air was cool, but the sunlight was already a little hot. As I walked, I heard buses honking, children laughing, and shopkeepers opening their shutters. When I reached the market, it was already full of activity. People were moving, talking, and bargaining. The smell of raw fish was strong in the air. Vendors were shouting fish names and prices to attract customers. I looked around. There were so many stalls. I saw silver, pink, white, and shiny fish. Some were small, some large. A few stalls had fish on crushed ice. The first fish I searched for was seer fish. That is my favorite for biryani. The texture is firm and it does not break while cooking. I went to a stall and asked, "How much is 1 kilo of seer fish today?" He said, 900 brother. I paused. That was more than I expected. But I really wanted biryani today. So I asked for half a kilo. He washed the fish, removed the scales, cut it into thick pieces, and packed it. Next, I wanted something for frying. I moved to another stall and saw pearl spot fish. It looked fresh. The eyes were clear and the body was firm. That shows the fish is fresh. I picked 2 medium-sized ones. I asked the vendor to clean them and make deep slits on the body. That way, the masala will go inside when I fry it. I was about to leave. Then I saw sardines or mathi. Sardines are not expensive, but they are healthy. I didn't plan to buy them. Still, I bought a quarter kilo. Now my bag was heavy. I had 3 types of fish. I slowly walked back home. The road was crowded. The sun was hotter. But I felt happy. I imagined marinating the fish, then frying it till golden. I thought about the rice, cooked with ghee, onions, mint leaves, and spices. It would be a good lunch. That's all. A simple plan to eat biryani became a small trip to the market.